Safe for your most sensitive areas, and it won't stain your silk. You might be wondering, what is fur oil? I'll tell you. It is specifically designed for pubic hair and skin. Our signature blend of lightweight oils gently softens the hair and clears the pores for fewer ingrown hairs and healthier skin. So it's a multi-purpose hair and skin oil, and it's meant to be used anywhere you want on your skin, but specifically it's good for anywhere you shave. So what I do is, after I'm done shaving and I'm out of the shower and I'm dried off, I will go ahead and put this oil under my arms, betwixt my legs, like my bikini area, sometimes on my my legs, especially if I'm prone to a little bit of razor burn in the winter when my skin is drier. They sell it at Ulta for $52. I'm gonna make my DIY version of it so that you can also make it and none of us have to spend $52 on it. Grapeseed oil, jojoba seed oil, lemon peel oil, peppermint oil, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, Clary Sage, and Camphor Bark oil. You're also going to need a funnel because this makes life easy. You're going to need, I just got a small jojoba oil and a small grapeseed. You're gonna need either a blue or a brown bottle, you know, something that is not clear. And then I'm choosing to use a dropper, but you can use any kind of lid that you want. And both of these are repurposed from other essential oils that I've bought in the past. I sanitize everything by boiling it. I run it through the dishwasher and then I boil everything. And I'm actually probably gonna do a little over half the bottle of grapeseed. Then we're gonna do golden jojoba. And I'm gonna bring it right to the top. So it's right here. Right here. I went through the oils in the order in which they're listed, assuming that whatever comes first has the higher amount. And then in the end, I gave it a good shake. I smelled it. It smelled a little strong compared to the sample of the real stuff. So I added a little bit more of the grapeseed and the jojoba just to dilute the scent a little bit, and it came out absolutely perfect. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. I'll do 7. You know why? Because I like lavender. Basically, if you like the way it smells when you're done, it's not too strong, then you've probably done a good job. If it needs to be stronger, I would start with the oils in the same order again, lemon being the first. And it hardly has an odor, which is odd because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 different essential oils in it, and it really has a very light odor. When I put my dropper in, I'm gonna have to suck up almost a full vial to get the lid on there. And there you have it. I'm gonna clean this off with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm gonna put a little label on it that I print on my printer. You can just handwrite it. And then I put a little piece of clear packing tape over it so that the oil doesn't soak into the label. And that way I know exactly what it is. I can give it as a gift if I want to. And it smells so, so good, so clean. And so it's not like you're gonna have oily parts. And that's probably why they put in the advertising that it won't stain your silky underwear or your silky shorts. So there you have it. Soft pubic hair, no ingrown hairs, get rid of razor burn, just in time for summer. Enjoy your fur oil, don't pay $52. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.